have this MatrixBrute, and this is really great synth with two filters. One filter is Steiner Parker filter, which is really great, and second one is probably my favorite filter. It is filter from Minimo, and I also have this eurorack system, and I was thinking if what will be happen when we will put third filter to the synth. So for today I chose my MatrixBrute. For now I am showing how this both filter working with MatrixBrute. One thing, I don't want make this test like, you know, engineer specialist test with some oscilloscope and stuff like this. I am a composer, so I am just doing this test, you know, music as musician, as composer, and this is test for, you know, for just checking how different filters, how MatrixBrute is sounding with different filters. You know, you can buy eurorack stuff, and one of purpose you can just try different filters. First filter when I am checking MatrixBrute is Korgasmatron II. It is a Korg MS20 filter, and it's really nice filter. I like this filter. I only make settings low pass 1. I didn't try other settings. I really like this filter because it can be nice gritty filter. It's working in some type of horror games. Second filter is CAM. It is from Oberheim. This produce, but Oberheim, but this eurorack system is from Doepfer. It is A-106-5 SEM filter. I really like Oberheim filters. They are really good because they are only +6 decibel slope, and they are very good for making your synth slightly darker. The next filter is Jovi 80 filter. It is filter from Jupiter 6, but also this filter is sounding like SH101 synth. The next one filter is Curtis filter. It is from Prophet 6, but Dave Smith thought that this is his type of filter. The next filter is the filter Z2040. It's from Prophet 5. I like this filter, but this filter is not big for making good resonance, but for warming up signal, for making oscillator sound bigger. And the next one filter is, I like this filter, is Polivoks. This model is from Erica Synth. They are producing really good eurorack stuff. This Polivoks has very nice distorted resonance when you put a lot of resonance. The distortion is pretty nice, pretty gritty. Last one filter, it's not based on real hardware like before. All other filters was based on some hardware synth. And this Mannequin Three Sisters is, I don't know, but it's probably not based on any hardware synth. This is one of my first filter which I bought. Of course, eurorack is eurorack, not eurorack. Sorry for that. So, yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.